One, two, three.
Aqore Power Jam.
They almost gave
Say Power Jam.
I love Aqore.
Core.
The dumbest ticket I ever submitted. Well, I submitted one the other day because I forgot my password to the test account.
We've had so many. It's all on us. It's not Snowball's fault.
I asked a question, and they said it's an option in ATM. I'm like, duh, I should have looked at that. I'm a dumbass. So that happened.
I didn't know how to log in.
Even after a year and a half of learning and using this software, there are still moments where I can't even figure out how to send an email.
When I asked the client, how do you add a comment? Because I kind of forgot how to add a comment.
I remember submitting a ticket and getting a response saying you just click here and then click there. So that was probably a dumb moment where where I had to say thank you. I should have known that already.
I forgot my password.
I can't find the email template. Where's the email template? Surprise, the email template is exactly where I wasn't looking for it.
So when we were migrating, we had multiple systems that we were bringing over, and our previous mobile app was not very friendly. It went down often. So during migration, our question to Ruben was, what happens when the mobile app goes down? And his response was, what do you mean? Our mobile app never goes down. So we felt kind of like idiots, but that was actually pretty funny.
Yeah, when I couldn't figure out how to get to the Xenophil on my phone because I was putting it as a Google search instead of the actual browser.
No, I've actually never, in the almost 4 years I've worked with Aqore, actually submit a ticket. I just call and annoy the heck out of these guys. So,
well, I9s have reviews, and the review task didn't come in automatically. And then I was like locked in Xenophil for the first time. I didn't really know how to navigate that. So unfortunately, then the CEO left, and I figured it out when he was gone. And it was like,